We believe the taste that truly touches your heart is the taste made full of our commitment. We blend the top quality rice with starches to make them chewier with better texture. Our persistence in using the proprietary recipe in making rice vermicelli or mihun is our secret in keeping rice vermicelli pure and delicate. As Southeast Asia is the world's top exporter of rice, rice vermicelli remains one of the main staple foods in this region. Whether it is in a luxurious high-end restaurant, affordable lip-smacking cafe, or popular roadside hawker stalls, you can find families slurping rice vermicelli, enjoying mealtimes at their favourite eateries. In the heart of Southeast Asia, Vermi Industries is located in Kulai, Malaysia. Vermi Industries knows the importance of rice vermicelli to all of us living in this region. To uphold the authentic taste of rice vermicelli, we have been specialising in producing popular household rice vermicelli brands. Over the past 50 years, Botan and Parrot brands have become two of the most recognised brands at the shelves of grocery stores, markets and supermarkets in Malaysia and Southeast Asia. From fully handmade to semi-automatic processing systems to fully automated processing production systems. With the far-sightedness of the owner to continue upgrading and transforming the business, Vermi Industries is now capable of manufacturing various types of rice vermicelli. Our rice vermicelli is available in Malaysia, Singapore, Brunei, Mauritius and Australia. Vermi Industries has implemented the most stringent control to ensure that hygiene quality is kept at the highest standard. We ensure that all raw materials used in the manufacture of our products are carefully hand-picked. In this respect, we have been awarded the MESTI Quality Assurance Certification, Hazard Analysis and Critical Control Point (HACCP), Halal, and ISO 9001-2015 certificates. At every stage of the process, from rice mixing, cooking, dehydrating, drying and packaging, we monitor and control every single procedure with the focus of fulfilling the quality requirements to provide 100% satisfaction to our customers. Let's open the package. Take out the rice vermicelli, boil it in a pot. You will realize that the broth does not become murky, but remains clear after being boiled. This is not a coincidence, but the result of our perseverance. Vermi Industries will continue its mission of producing healthy and good quality food for our customers, striving to be one of the largest food companies which provides premium quality, excellent services and best experience to all consumers. Vermi Industries. Perseverance is the key.